am just now getting around to opening my mail tonight, and I had to share this one with you. I laughed so hard. Clyde got his first Happy Mail. Oh, so excited. Yeah, me too, me too. Anyway, Clyde's just this little thing that we made up on one of my lives, and it's kind of stuck that he hangs around and makes people laugh. Yeah, it's funny. I'm real funny. Anyway, she says, I hope Clyde and his gal enjoy his little journals. There were lots of bits that needed to be used. Arlene, I love them. I love it too, I do it too. So I'm assuming this one is for his gal, which I'm assuming is me. No, it's not you. Excuse me? Anyway, this is so adorable. It's got owls in it. I love my owls. But look at these. Aren't you creative? These are cards. So stinking cute. And, yeah, she sent me some of these before. And I keep one in my purse at all times, jot notes and stuff on. They hold up good. I mean, I haven't figured out yet how she makes them. But they are great. But here is Clyde's, and I think it's perfect. What is she saying about me? Oh, nothing at all. Anyway, it has an owl in it too. And it's got the same cards. But it's so stinking cute. I really like it. It's so cute. Wait a minute, is she saying I'm a clown? No, not at all. But anyway, these are adorable. And I love them. And I'm going to keep them forever. So thank you, Arlene. Well, I'm going to keep Clyde's forever. I'm not going to use his. I'm going to put it in my book, actually. So thank you again. I love it. And, guys, I just had to do a real quick video to share with you guys that Clyde got his first Happy Mail. Yeah, I'm happy. See you soon. Bye.